Deuteronomy 31 verse 6, Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Joshua 1 verse 9, Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Psalm 27 verse 1, The Lord is my light and my salvation, whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life, of whom shall I be afraid? Isaiah 41 verse 10, So do not fear, for I am with you, do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you, I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. 2 Timothy 1 verse 7, For the Spirit God gave us does not make us timid, but gives us power, love and self-discipline. Psalm 31 verse 24, Be strong and take heart, all you who hope in the Lord. Ephesians 6 verse 10, Finally, be strong in the Lord and in His mighty power. Psalm 56 verses 3-4, When I am afraid, I put my trust in you. In God, whose word I praise, in God I trust and am not afraid. What can mere mortals do to me? Romans 8 verse 31, What, then, shall we say in response to these things? If God is for us, who can be against us? 1 Chronicles 28 verse 20, Be strong and courageous, and do the work. Do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord God, my God, is with you. He will not fail you or forsake you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.